Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there was a young man named Barry. Barry was a delivery boy for a local restaurant, and he loved his job. One day, while making his usual deliveries, Barry stumbled upon a curious machine. It was a robot that could deliver food faster and more efficiently than any human could. Barry was afraid that the robot would replace him and put him out of work. But as he watched the robot in action, he realized something amazing. The robot could only do so much on its own. It needed someone to program it, maintain it, and fix it when it broke down. Barry saw an opportunity to learn more about the robot and the technology behind it. He enrolled in a tech course and learned how to work with robots and AI. Soon, he was working alongside the robot, making sure it worked flawlessly. As the demand for the robot delivery system grew, so did the need for people like Barry who understood how to work with AI. Barry went from being a delivery boy to an AI technician, and he loved his new job even more than his old one. Barry realized that AI would not take away jobs but create new opportunities for those who were willing to learn and adapt. And with that, Barry knew that his future was bright, thanks to the power of AI.